The Etrusco 600BB is a compact panel van with a width of 205, a height of 270, and a length of 599 centimeters. Inside, this stylish camper van offers a seating group for up to 4 people. Directly next to the sliding door is the 84-liter refrigerator with a reversible door hinge. Behind the seating group is the toilet room with sink, toilet, storage cabinets, and shower. Opposite, you'll find the practical kitchenette with a 2-burner gas stove and a sink. In the rear are bunk beds with dimensions of 185 by 157 and 187 by 130 centimeters. The fresh water tank has a volume of 100 liters and the wastewater tank of 90 liters.